Now I'll show you how to install and use the Youkey Pocket Ultrasound system on Android. You need to search Sonar IQ in Google Play Store, and this is our software. And you can see the reviews group, and you just install it to your system. And then here is the software. We just run it and open. Also turn on the Youkey D8 ultrasound system main unit, and then you can check. This is our serial number, and you just connect it and press OK. The images will show on your Android system device now, and it's okay for you to take the scan. And now I'll show you how to change the different mode and parameters. This is to change the depth, and you change the gain. This is the other parameters inside. You can check here. And if you want to enter M mode, just tap B mode again, and then it will change to M mode. And back to B mode, you click it again. And if you want to enter the color mode, you just tap here, and you can move the color window or just resize it. And if you click the color mode again, it will change to the power mode. You can see the power again here. This is the power parameter. And you back to B mode, and you enter color mode, and then you can check in the pulse wave Doppler mode here. You can change the size here. And when you want to update it, you just tap this again, pulse wave Doppler mode again, and then you can see the spectrum. So it's very easy for you to choose. And also I'll show you how to save the images and videos. You freeze the system, and you run it. For example, if you want to save these images, you just click here, and then you can save it to your local storage. And you can also save all the cinema to your disk like this. And then you can comment, type Youkey, and move it. Also, you can measure the distance, and also the angle. So it's very easy for you to use, right? And then that's the general part here. You can check different in here, and also you can check here the probe info, ID, battery, others, and also the patient info and preset, image preset, system preset, exam preset, system update, and also the instruction menu. It's very easy to use. You can check the Wi-Fi connect here and to change the mode in here. And when you finish the exam, you just back it twice to exit the software.